This year again, I went to the big craft market Handmade in Japan, which was held in Tokyo. "3,000 stands are deployed over 2 days, and you can buy clothes, jewelry, leather goods, and even food. The workshop corner is very popular. Among 60 courses offered, you can try dyeing leather or creating artificial mini bonsai trees. Entering in the market area, I was attracted by several shops. These extremely fine jewels are made with 3D printer by a couple of newly retired designers. How can these small glass pendants contain a whole galaxy? The designer kindly explained each stage of production. These cherry wood earrings are hollowed out by a carpenter using laser cut technology. These ones are made of folded paper and hardened with resin. Could you believe these bags are actually pendants? The work on the detail is really amazing. Admire this majestic mural. You could almost hear the sound of the ocean. This designer makes multicolored leather bags and wallets all by herself from her garage. Lampman is the name of these little characters, so endearing. That's it for this 2020 edition. If you like the creators, you can find their info just below. Ciao!